This is Mekhi Elijah Barnett dribbling, showing off his dribbling skills. All right, son, you can twirl it a little bit and show us a little something, something.
All right.
Go, do whatever. He dribbles real easy. It's nothing to him. Easy. It's just easy. Showing a quick dribbling through your, pat the rock through your legs, back and forth, like, you know. Yeah, buddy. Look at the skills. Now, do the, the real quick one. Using all fours. Whoa. It's nothing. It's nothing. Woo! He's a dribbling machine, folks. Yeah. My ball don't have that good of hair, so that takes away. But that was just a snippet of him getting his dribble on. And you'll see him in the NBA in a few years. Peace.